So hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how exactly I rooted my oppo a37. First of all, you can see I am not on latest version. You have to downgrade your OS. You can see clearly this is oppo 30 a37 mobile, guys. You can see, just wait a second. Okay, the autofocus proper not working. Okay, you can see I am going to open this root checker application. You can see, click on verify root. You can see super user request, click on grant the permission. You can see my device has been successfully rooted, guys. You can clearly see I'm taking a screenshot. Okay, so I'm going to show you the magisk manager. People think I'm lying, but you can see clearly I installed this magisk manager, guys. Okay, using this application I rooted my phone. So I just want to tell you, if you want to root your oppo a37 mobile, first you have PC or laptop, then you have to downgrade your OS, then install the magisk manager so you can root your phone, guys. Okay, and also I'm going to open the settings again. You can see, click on system update. You can see it asking to update, guys. Okay, I am on old version, so I'm on old firmware, so I can root my phone. Sorry, the autofocus is not working properly. Okay, guys, that's it for today, and thank you for watching. And if you have any questions, ask me, guys. Thank you.